Okay, I've got 5 Chevy wheels here, 16-inch by 7 wheels, 6 lug for the last 3 years of the Chevy van. I got these in Montebello from a guy named Nick. Good guy, real good prices. These cost me 180 bucks for all 5 of them, and they were dirty. I cleaned them up. I'm in the process of stripping the clear off right now. I did a post yesterday, got a bunch of advice that I didn't ask for. Yeah, listen, if I could afford to sandblast and powder coat these wheels, you wouldn't see this video right now, and you wouldn't have seen the post yesterday. I've done chemical stripper many times over the decades, and yeah, there's a lot of ways to do it. It's just that takes a lot of time to brush all that on, and it's never a one and done. Even if you put it in a bag, you're still going to strip it, and you have to apply more. It eats up too much time. And I saw on YouTube, a guy had a stripper and a spray can. I had never seen that before, so I bought it and thought this will be faster, and it's a lot faster applying it, so that saves a ton of time. And I tried the aircraft first, which doesn't work for shit. This stuff works. 2 cans, got all 5 of those wheels almost done. They had 1 can left this morning, and I got it. I used some lacquer thinner in between with the brush. This brush really helped a lot. This morning I bought this one, and I think that's going to be a huge time saver. I'm going to go with this 2X. I've had real good luck with this on bicycle frames and handlebars. It wears real well. I mean, it almost feels like powder coat. And so I think it'll hold up well enough. It'll also be easy to touch up. I mean, your wheels are going to take some abuse. Right now I'm running a 17-inch method wheel. These are pretty pro off-road wheels. All these bolts come out and you can put a locking ring on. There's some cosmetic wear. Obviously I've been 4-wheeling in these things and hitting rocks and all kinds of stuff. And curbs. Sidewalls are a little worn. Hanuk all-terrain tires, still a lot of tread left on. Probably 25,000 miles on these tires. I think I got a 60,000 mile rating, so they're still good. Hoping to sell these wheels and tires to fund more work on the van. After I put the other on, I'm going to go with a Cooper AT3 LT Discover tire. It's going to be a 225/75 R16. So it'll be about a 30-inch tire. These are 28. So the Cooper tire is actually a little under 30 inches. I had my pal Aaron help me out with the RPM rating on this, with the gearing, and we discovered that will be okay with the 410 gears. There's this donut spare. I did the math under here with a tape measure, and it looks like a full-size up to a 30-inch tire will fit. Real excited about that. Got the tow hitch here, so it will fit in there. Next will be the springs, because these suck. Just not enough. I've got the airbags on, as you know. You guys know the saga with the airbags. And so once I get the new springs on, I'll be able to deflate the airbags and just have them there in case I ever have to adjust ride height with uneven load, as I do with all my tools when I'm driving across the country and whatnot. You can see the sidewall wear here. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't hurt the tire. These are like 10-ply, good quality tires. So no problems with that. And yeah, I can't wait to get the interior built out on this, because this is a mess. And this thing does shift around on me if my little stabilizers slip out of place. So I'm real looking forward to getting this built out. On the wheels, you know, you spray this stuff on, it becomes about time management. You know, what do? You're not going to stand there and wait. So what I did yesterday, just work. These bikes are for sale, by the way. Yesterday, I just worked on my cutting boards in between. So I'd spray some of that stripper on. I'd come over here, did the router work last week, and I've been shaping out these finger pulls. It takes a lot of time to get these things to feel right, work right. Using these tools here, and got the boards here. These two are spoken for. One of these are spoken for. The other one will be for sale. It'll be about 260 bucks plus shipping. It's 2.5 inches thick. That's got some book matched maple on it. It's pretty nice. I got this nice pro board here. That'll be quite a bit more. It's pretty gigantic, and it does have drip rail, which I don't normally do. I've got these sitting here. This was one long board I was going to save for the van. I cut it up, and this is going to have a drip railing because a pal asked me, and you know, when you know somebody your entire life, you're kind of obligated to do favors. And then underneath here is one of the boards I had left. It was one of the last of the four-sided curved boards with a handle that I cut off, and I'm going to be doing a drip rail on this board. Finger well obviously will be applied to that side too, so that's going to be kind of a high-end, pricey board when it's done. It's got book-matched maple, walnut, and purple heart. So that's what I've been doing in between putting the stripper on these wheels. So looking forward to getting these things done today. They're in the sun to warm up, and I might even get paint on them today.